Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a love reading for the sign of Pisces. Please remember these are general readings, may or may not resonate with all the Pisces out there. Take what resonates, leave the rest. If none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, your moon or Venus sign for additional information. And I would like to thank all of you who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. I truly am grateful for it. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. I'll be very grateful for that as well. It helps me grow as a reader. It helps me post more videos for you. So please do subscribe, please do like, and please do comment and let me know how this resonates with you. That kind of feedback always helps me. So I'm also open to personal reading, so you can always reach out to me if you want some more information, messages from the universe, clarity on some situation. Please do reach out to me and we can schedule a personal reading. I have left my email ID and my Instagram details in the description box. You can reach out to me on either one. So let's see what's coming up for you, Pisces, your overall energy in love. The Two of Cups. Wow, beautiful energy. Equal, love from both sides, actually. So there is something, energy of romance and a romantic opportunity. So let's see past energies for Pisces. Four of Swords. Eight of Pentacles. Justice. Page of Wands. Eight of Wands. Page of Pentacles. Wow. The Empress. Five of Cups. And the Ten of Swords. Wow. So under the deck we have the Knight of Swords, somebody rushing in to communicate, and death, some ending, rebirth. Knight of Cups, there's an offer of love coming towards you, somebody coming to express. Yeah, but you're blocking them. You're trying to block them, or you're blocking them in some way maybe. So let's see what are the messages for you. The Two of Cups, overall energy, there is love, there is romance, there is energy for that available. But in the past energies I see Four of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, and Justice. So you and your person could be not talking to each other. This is you taking care of your own self, pampering, healing from something, and you are just putting your head into work and concentrating on that. Maybe both of you are, because there's no communication between the two. Maybe both of you are busy at your own work, and maybe work is the reason why there is distance between the two of you right now. But the scales are balancing out here. This is divine timing. So I think the karma is working here and the scales are going to be balanced very soon. Now there is that message coming in from your person, maybe Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There is quick messages, there's some passionate messages coming in, things are moving very quickly. Now from the Page of Wands, that person has gone to a Page of Pentacles, wanting something long-term, stable. Or this could be another person, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, also coming in towards you, offering you something long-term and stable, okay? Now you are glowing, you are doing well, you're focusing on your own abundance and growth. But there is some regret here, some feeling of missed opportunity, and then there is this ending here, Ten of Swords. There is a brutal ending. There is some feeling of being stabbed in the back. So we'll see what this is all about. Why is the Two of Cups here? for Pisces. Six of Wands. So yeah, there was something very good, successful coming in for you. Like you saw this connection as something that would be really good for you. A lot of recognition, lot of, or maybe you are dealing with somebody who is very famous. What is Six of Wands about? King of Swords. Yeah, this person could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But this person is very cold, not a very emotionally connected person. Like this person may not even be communicating so much. Very little communication or lack of communication. Cold shouldering. Okay, but let me see. There is love between the two of you. It's just that this person is not good at communication. Now, why is the Four of Swords here for you? Three of Swords. Yeah, so you are recovering from a heartbreak. Something has broken your heart. You are recovering from it. There is no communication between you and your person. So why is the Eight of Pentacles there? Yeah, you are just focusing on yourself. You're waiting. You are putting the work. You are doing all the necessary work into that healing. You're probably concentrating on your career, but at the same time, at the back of your head, you are waiting for this person. You are hoping this person would reach out, or you are thinking of reaching out to them, or waiting and just looking at things, trying to understand what happened, what lies ahead. Now, if you're not thinking about this person here, it just could be that you are just looking ahead to what lies next for me, okay? Not taking any action, but planning. You could also be planning to travel somewhere. But yeah, this is about making a choice also in some way. A choice to move on or to wait for this person. So why is the Justice here for Pisces? The King of Cups. You could be dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or this could be your energy, but things are balancing out. You are getting that love that you always wanted. I think that's the universe giving you that love and affection that you always craved for. That kind of person. You're getting that matured kind of love that's finally coming in for you. Yeah, you're dropping all those burdens from the past, and this is a person who's coming in, or this could be the same person who you're dealing with in the past coming back, letting go of those burdens, coming back to offer you something more, very matured, very beautiful love. Why is the Page of Wands here? Two of Pentacles. Again, could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but this person is always confused, has one foot in, one foot out, not sure of what they want, but this person is coming towards you, offering you. Yeah, see, the Eight of Wands is clarified by the Emperor. So they now are trying to, why is the Emperor here for the Eight of Wands? Six of Wands. Yeah, so now they want to take control of the situation. This person could also be a bit egoistic, not very expressive when it comes to emotions, but this person wants to move ahead with you towards something more stable. Okay, so which is why I think this Page of Pentacles is here. Why is the Page of Pentacles here? See, Six of Pentacles. So earlier there was no equal give and take, but now this person wants something let me clarify that Six of Pentacles. Hangman. Yeah, so this person in the past, there was no equal give and take of energies here, which kind of put you in a very stuck position. This is also your card, the Hanged Man. So there was no equal give and take between you and this person in the past, or there still is no equal give and take. Even when this person is coming back towards you, maybe there is that imbalance in the energies. Okay, one of you is giving in too much and the other person is not. But now this person wants to give you something very stable and long term, and now you are in a fix. Okay, you are not sure what to do. It's you need there's some need for you to let go of something, a need for you to need for you to change your perspective, because how you remember this person as is somebody who never gave you as much as you gave them in the past, and that's what you remember when you think about this person. That's what comes to your mind, and there is a need for you to let go of it, because you're not able to let go of this feeling that whatever they did in the past, where you put in so much and they just made you feel like they were not invested and they were not interested, and that made you feel probably very shitty in the past, and now you cannot forget that what they did. So you're still thinking about that you're still wondering if this person will put in that equal energy as much as you, and that's kind of keeping you stuck there, because you're not sure this person will, quite frankly. But what they're coming with is something very stable. The intention for them coming back is something very stable. The death also came up. So yeah, this is a reconciliation, somebody from your past. So could be also dealing with a Scorpio. So why is the Empress here for Pisces? Ace of Pentacles. So now you are in this Empress mode. You are in your power. You are taking that power back. You want something long term, something stable. You are not interested in anything else, because now you know your worth. Okay, you know that you deserve something solid. You deserve something long term, and you're not compromising. So why is the Five of Cups there? Page of Swords. So somebody here is stalking you, or maybe you could be stalking this person, because there's some regret, there's some feeling of missing out. Why? Who's this Page of Swords? Knight of Swords. Yeah, so this person, whoever is stalking you, is going to come rushing towards you with some communication. Okay, because they've been seeing how wonderful you are, how you look, how great you look, and now they want to come rushing towards you with some communication. So why is the Ten of Swords here? Lovers. There is an ending here. This person, whatever you had with this person, was very passionate. Okay, but why is the Ten of Swords there? King of Pentacles. So it's quite possible that either there is an ending of this connection here, but I don't see it like that. Actually, with these two cards coming out, the Lovers and the King of Pentacles, I feel you're getting over this heartbreak and now going towards a passionate connection with this person who is willing to offer you a long-term commitment. Okay, now this person has finally realized that they want to spend their life with you and they're ready to commit in a long term. Yeah, Nine of Swords. Yeah, but you're worried. Empress again. There are some worries and anxieties here. And after the Nine of Swords is this Ten of Swords. So I think this is more of your mental energy, where you are assuming things maybe, but the reality is quite the opposite. There is love here, there's passion here, there is some long-term commitment. This person is serious about you, but I think you're just worked up in your head because of whatever's happened in the past. Okay, so again, that Empress energy here, very nurturing, loving. You could be dealing, by the way, the person coming towards you could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, a Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So yeah, again, like I said, you are glowing, you're doing so well. There is justice for you here. King of Wands, very passionate, fiery energy coming towards you. Three of Cups, reunion, going out, dating, that kind of an energy. So let's see what is the advice for Pisces when it comes to this connection, the situation. The Tower. So there is some ending, some Tower moment that is about to happen or that has happened. You need to accept, go with the flow, maybe accept it. And Death. Wow. So some ending here and some rebirth. So I feel that if you are in separation with this person right now, that was meant to happen, that was divinely guided. Okay, something had to come up for something to rebuild. Okay, so that Tower came down here, something very shocking. There was an ending, but after this death is something new. There is a rebirth as well. So what is this Tower energy for Pisces? The Strength showed up. Leo energy. You're being strong, you're taking this Tower in your stride, or this universe is telling you to take things in your stride, like go with the flow, don't resist it. Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, so you need to focus on your work, uh, concentrate on your own abundance and growth, and your own stability, um, because this Tower energy is going to take you there, I feel. So why is the death here? Why is the death energy here? Two of Swords. So don't doubt this ending. Okay, something has come to an end and you're still in your head about something, so you need to open that blindfold. Something has come to an end here. You need to accept that, yeah, devil, it was something very toxic. Okay, so and this toxicity is the reason why you are in two minds, because you're not able to let go, you're not able to accept the situation maybe, but the universe is telling you that there is an ending here. It's keeping you stuck. Okay, so this ending had to happen because it was for your best. See, the Sun showed up again, Leo energy, but this is, this ending is a blessing for you. You may not see it right now that way, but you are headed towards something very abundant and beautiful, and this is going to make you very happy. Look at that, Knight of Cups under the deck. So there is some romantic messages coming in for you, somebody who is worth the effort. Okay, Seven of Cups. You will be having a lot of choice. Somebody is rushing towards you. You could be dealing with a Cancer. High Priestess, this is your energy. So let's see, what other messages do we have for Pisces? What other messages do we have for Pisces, please? What messages do we have for Pisces? Take that leap of faith. It's going to be worth it. Okay, so some of you need to take a leap of faith. Trust in the universe. It is time to let go of the past. They are coming back to you. Oh my God, what did I tell you? They are coming back to you for sure. Money means nothing when you have no one to share it with. So some of you could be busy working to the extent of not having a social life. So please don't do that. Stop looking for answers everywhere. The answers you are looking for are staring at you in the eye. So yeah, something is up and you know it. Okay, you're Pisces. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So yeah, I feel some of you are working too hard maybe. So you need to, have some fun. But other messages are all in tune with the reading here. So I hope this resonated with you, Pisces. If it did, please do give me a like, share and a subscribe. And like I said, I'm open to personal readings. You can reach out to me if this resonated with you and if you need more answers. And I will see you in another reading. Till then, take care. Bye.